Good morning, students. Let's start our today's class. You have already learned in the previous chapter how to create and use a simple worksheet. And we have learned the MS Excel, and today we will learn how to format the text or number in MS Excel, and that is called formatting. Formatting means changing the appearance of the data by changing the font size, color, alignment, or adding any border, and that you have already learned in MS Word. So today, first of all, we learn formatting a number. Look, here is some numbers in a few cell. These are the numbers, and we want to format this number. So today we will learn as a practical basis. First of all, we select the number, and there are so many formatting options in number section. This is the number portion in home group. Under home group, first of all, this is the number section, and when you click here, you can see there are general, number, currency, accounting, short data, short date, long date, time, percentage. So many options are there. So one by one we will learn. First of all, number. Number means this is the digit to be displayed at the decimal. Look, here is only number. There is no uh, decimal number. Okay, so look, from here, increase the decimal. When we click here, look, 0.0, 0.00, like this. Okay, and if you click here, then the 0.0 that will be omitted. Okay, so this is the one point. Second point, that is currency. Currency means this display cell data as currency with currency sign. Suppose this is a dollar sign. So when here you can see, look, this is the dollar sign. Okay, that means we can format it. And not only that, when you click here, you can see different type of currencies is there, and when we click on more accounting format, and from this portion in symbol portion, if you go, then we can get our Indian symbol, that is rupees. Okay, there is just wait. Look, this is the India. Okay, English, Bengali, like that. When we click here and click on OK, then you can get the rupees symbol. Okay, this is rupees symbol. Okay, next point, that is accounting. It is also similar to currency used for accounting purpose. This display cell data as number with a separator. How? Look, there is the option that is accounting. Okay, and with separator, that means when the amount is huge. Look, there is a separator with a comma. Okay, there is a separator with a comma, and this is accounting. And next point, that is date. Uh, it provides various date format. Suppose here I'll write some date 12/02/2020. Okay, look, this is a format, and look, there is change, that is date, and you can format it. How? You can use the long date, then it will be this type of format. Okay, and if you use the short date, then this is this type of format. Okay, same way, that is time. Here I put a time. Okay, then time 5.00 or like that time. Uh, okay, so this is AM or PM. You can format it, open the format option. Okay, and use different type of format is there. Time format. Okay, look, these are the date with time. And location, you can use the location also from here. There are different type of options are there. When you choose the option of location, then that will be change. Okay, different type of option is there. Next point, that is percentage. This display cell data as percentage with decimal place. Look, suppose in this data I use with a percentage. Okay, so look, that is change with a percentage. Okay, and next, fraction. This display the cell data as fraction. Suppose here I write 2/3, and I want to use it is a fraction. Okay, fraction, and sorry, fraction up to 1 digit, up to 2 digit. Okay, with different type of up to 4 digit. So click here, and um, okay, you put the value, suppose 2.5, then enter, then this is the fraction. So next we will learn that is scientific. This display the cell data in a exponential form. Suppose here I write some data and select this and click on scientific. Look, this is a format of scientific. Okay, so up to this portion, today's class, you practice it, then we will learn the next part. Okay, thank you, class.